Hey guys, here's my first video of loving my life, okay? Because I love it, it's worth more than money could ever add up to. Check this out. Now wasn't that awesome? That's beautiful, I think. But anyway, this is the first thing I did to start my journey with you guys. I'm going to take you guys on a daily or weekly journey with me so I can find some good places, take some good video, and show you that life is awesome without drugs. You don't need drugs to have a good time. Check it out again, man. Wow, it's so beautiful. You want to be in it, bye? Isn't that awesome, guys? Wow. I love you guys. Now, you can be enjoying this with me, too, or your friends or your loved ones, sober, okay? If you were right at on drugs, you wouldn't even get down this path. You'd be falling all over yourself into the freaking river. But anyway, I love it. I'm sober. Love my life. This is Sober Life, Love Life by BJ Holler, guys. Mwah. Please subscribe. I got lots more coming. Take care and I love you. Yeah, woo-hoo.